Hi, I would like to show you my DIY spoiler installation for my Mercedes-Benz. Let's begin.
Hi, today I received this package from Amazon and I already opened it and I put it back to the box for my Mercedes-Benz E-350. And it is already painted from the supplier, and along this spoiler is the tape, double adhesive tape. So it's going to be here. So what I'm gonna do is put a tape in here and in here as a guide, and put this double adhesive tapes in the flat surface of the spoiler. So what we're gonna do now is fill this up and put it in. Alright, now it's time to put it in place. This is how I did it to fit together. I see there's no gap. Alright, this is the finished product after installing this spoiler. Looks sexy.